ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
uba penshngany NSM ubalami khmat menta komu MDC jong ka Maukhar Pynthorumkhrah Constituency ulaong ba udon kam nya ka Jingïadei ka ba khamjan bat ki Paidbah haswa ba un Pynthorumkhrah ban Ïakhun nya ka election MLA na Pynthorumkhrah Constituency haus nem arajar arpulai Persya yo sitting MLA uba Alexander Elhek ubalami khmat ya gani ka constituency menta la san samoi kenti haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba pensingan ula kuburu bakam long satya ka basuk yu ban Ïakhun Persya yo uba Elhek haus nam arhajar arpulai namar ba ka jingya khun kan long ka bajwat bha na lor ba udairu nong mi khmat ubala rimbha haga san perthai uba pensingan NSM ubalami khmat menta komu MDC jong ka Maukhar Pynthorumkhrah Constituency ulaong ba udon kam nya ka Jingïadei ka ba khamjan bat ki Paidbah haswa ba un Pynthorumkhrah ban Ïakhun nya ka election MLA
bagi Paidbah ni political situation of Meghalaya snow ba the only alternative na kabanta ban ra ay ka jingkla the next election it is the only Congress party na bago pakalong banta all the parties they are with MBA coalitions. If you want to change, I have to go back to Congress party for a change in the state. Pynthorumkhrah, kumbakalong hi Paidbah elek la mi khmat mentala santem begini. Dengan try Pynthorumkhrah dengan macam bon di jingkla. Badi bagai pembaik dengan parti, nak try dengan apa kampung nama. Ini kumbakalong ke state minta gigi jingdon kampung ke state. We are in a very bad financial position as a state party. Until and unless we improve the revenue resources to the state, time will come bagi can face financial crisis. Kalau kita kita price soka, kita 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 kaya pateng, bateri kam najong kita nungpula bro. Nah, first and topmost very priority issue is to see that the financial stability of the state. Number two, kita kan employment. Employment they are unemployed. Namun banong bahaga public sector. Hindi issue but encourage kita private sector ru, nam kan squeeze kisamna for employments. Tourism sector, mining sector, educational sector. At least we should see that educated youth di banon space nam employments. Juro nam tourism, people nam jingko juga Shillong, usiba bengora beng itu nak juga Shillong. These are the few issues. As Mabin said, only told in the meeting today, that is a very important task and very challenging one is to see that to bring all collectively, bring all together in one. Because as we say that divided we fall, united we stand. So I think our president will do the needful to see that all these people should come together and work together. I think for me it's not new contesting election because I think you understand when I contest Mausunram from a newly formed party I was only by 600 votes. My candidate he went by 1,400 votes against the sitting MLA's MDC candidates. I think understand my potentiality. I come to Shillong from Maukhar and Pynthorumkhrah. I win the election within 45 days. For me no problem to contest from Pynthorumkhrah also. But the only thing is my mind and heart should be for the people. That is very important. We should have a strong connection with the people for the people. See, fighting against a veteran, a very senior most experienced people, it is a very good fight. I think even people also are very interested to see the fight between the two giants. I think I choose that kind of fight. See, going by the present situation in the state as a whole, under the MDA coalition government, under the NPP-led coalition, I think I do not need to explain. People knows better than me, because people they want to see a change. A change means only the Congress party can bring a change, can bring the alternative government on 23. I think that is a very strong reason convincing me to come back to Congress. Do you think that UDP will come to power in the next election? No. This small party, they cannot do anything because they are part of this very coalition government in which so many failures. So my point of view is the only alternative party, alternative government to be formed in 23 is only Congress party. During a very strong BJP regime in the state, 2018, still they win 21 seats. At this situation where the MPA has failed in all the sector, I think the chance of Congress is very high to win an absolute majority. In fact, with Dr. Musara, I have no personal conflict. It is only a conflict on few issues, because conflict on opinions. In fact, I have nothing personal against Dr. Musara. In fact, during the last 1 year, we are very much in touch. I already informed him that I may come back to join the Congress. I already informed him. So for me, it's I will be very happy to work together with Dr. Mukul and with Mapala as the president. No problem. See, I think MDA government, as I told you before, they have failed in all sectors. See, it has never been in the history of the state where we are in a very bad financial position. That is number one. Number two, handling of COVID situation during this worst COVID situation, they spent 649 crores. But I think people knows how problem they face during the COVID situation. I think you have seen during on the coal issue. I think maximum illegal transportation of coal has been done. It has bring down the exchequer of the state. So I think so many minus point for the MDA government to serve in the next 5 years after 23. So I think difficulties should be there. In fact, I am interested to face the difficulties, because without facing the difficulties, how we will then the battle, how to fight.